Hi. So I wanted to talk to you about an AI website builder today because many therapists get stuck on the step of building their website when they just go into private practice, on where they just start accepting clients on a side, maybe. And so to help therapists with that, I decided to create a little tutorial to show you how you can build very simple website using an AI website builder. Now, this idea came from a friend of mine, Tim Stoddard, who showed what kind of tools he uses for building AI websites. And I decided to repurpose it by specifically using a Wix AI website builder because I use Wix all the time myself. I'm not affiliated with Wix, but I've been using Wix for years. I've been using Wix since early 2000s, actually. And I like that platform. It comes up with something new all the time, but you don't have to use Wix. I'm sure other website builders have AI features in them already. So I am just gonna show you the process of it. Now, I don't know how it's gonna work out. I don't know if we're gonna have a nice website or if we're gonna come out with something completely trashy, but I'm just giving you this tool to show you where to start to build a website for your therapy practice using AI. But before I show you, please make sure to subscribe to this channel, to like this video, so more therapists can find practical marketing tools for attracting clients to their practices. All right, so I'm going to share my screen right now to show you what the process is. And the process is simple. And the important thing to remember here that this is in no way a replacement for professional website building. I do believe that professionals, humans, will build you a much better website than an AI website builder. But if you don't have the budget right now to work with somebody, you just want to get something quick out, you don't want to spend hours figuring out a Wix website builder yourself or any kind of other website builder, no matter how simple it is, this is a tool for you. You can use it or not use it, just know about it. So first thing first, we need to find it. So I typed in AI Wix website. And as I said, I use Wix all the time, so I have an account. But you will probably come up in the searches here. So I click, I click to get to this page. So this page, simple. You create a website with AI. Now, as I said, I have an account. If you don't have an account, it will prompt you to create an account. It's free. So once you have an account or in the process of building this website with AI, you will have to create an account. So I'm going to create with AI. I'm going to get to this chat and tell us your site needs and goals, and then get a tailor-made website with with the tools you need to go live faster. Now, I'll start a chat here, and I have created a prompt, pre-written a prompt because I don't want to write it here. So this is the prompt that I created, and it says, create a website that is designed to rank for marriage counseling in New Jersey. Now, I'm in New Jersey, and this is a completely fictional practice. So it's designed to rank for marriage counseling in New Jersey. Please include an above the fold section, which is like the main area, with a contact us button, and about page, three main services sections, because I believe that there should be at least three main services on a homepage that people should be able to click. And I named them couples therapy, individual counseling, premarital counseling. And a blog includes three blog articles that link through the homepage. Please add a fill form CTA. CTA stands for call to action. So basically, this is a form that urges people to subscribe to your email list. At the bottom, to download your lead magnet, how to stop fighting before dinner. A lead magnet is just some kind of a freebie, some kind of a PDF or something. And I decided to name it How to Stop Fighting Before Dinner. It's pretty universal theme for a lot of families. All right, let's click on that and see what it generates. We're going to have a conversation with this AI chatbot. Okay, impressive vision. What is the name of your business or project? I'm going to call it marriage counseling in New Jersey. This is what I'm going to call it. Not very creative, but descriptive. Okay, thanks. Who is your target audience? I'd assume that my target audience are married couples in their 30s and 40s. Now, I would recommend to think a little bit about who your ideal client is. Now, I have created ideal client worksheets. You can download them. I will link in this video to download the ideal client profile worksheet. It's free. You can download it and work on it a little bit and figure it out. But my guess is married couples in their 30s and 40s would be a good target demographic. All right, let's see what it says to me. And by the way, here on the side, it starts compiling a brief, right? A brief for my website. So site tab, marriage counselor, site app, booking, blog, forms. I would not include the booking here. I will go over that later. Do you have any specific branding or color schemes in mind for your website? I would say pastel colors, um, pastel colors. Let's see that. Maybe you have specific colors that you came up with already that you favor, but I'm gonna do this. Can you tell me more about the history of your business? I don't know. I don't want to lie, but this is a demonstration. I'm gonna come up with a story. Founded in 2010. We are a group. No, I am not a group practice. I am a solo practitioner, a certified marriage counselor. Okay, let's see. I actually would have skipped this step because I don't know all the details, but now it has all the details and it says it's all set. Let's generate a site and let's see what it generates for us. Um, It might be a complete disaster, I don't know, or it might be something that we can work with. In any case, we see here how it's working, and it says to me that we're generating marriage counseling in New Jersey, your marriage counselor site. Okay, once the site is ready, you can click on anything you want to change in the brief to adjust. Okay, so it's generating a brief. Okay, let's see what it says to us. One page. I mean, so it's going to be one long page, which is fine for us. It's a starter website. You don't need anything too difficult and too complicated. If you want to have a sophisticated website, I recommend hiring somebody to create the sophisticated website for you. But again, this is pretty rudimentary. This is pretty basic, just to help you get started. So we can tweak the design, we can regenerate the design, but basically this is what it gave us. Let's continue with this design and see what it gives us. So here, if you have a domain name, which you should have a domain name, you should put it in here. If you don't, you can either buy it through Wix or you can continue to the editor and edit it later. All right, so now it's generating, adding Wix bookings, which I actually don't want to have. And I'll tell you why, because bookings implies that people who are looking for therapy would be would be contacting you. Now, this feature, these bookings, it's a not a HIPAA compliant feature, so I would remove it, and I would instead um, add your EHR bookings, or add just a button to click to your HIPAA compliant bookings. But this is what we have right now. So this is a website that is generated for us. See here, you can really adjust this as you feel fit, but at least you have a structure to work with, right? So this is your main main area. This is called the hero image above the fold. It didn't add a button, but you can add the button very quickly here, right? You can add a button here that says contact us. And this button can take the visitor um, to your EHR platform. Let's preview this website. That's it. It's very, very easy. It even generated articles for us here. Obviously, it's AI generated. Um, you can change it, but you can see, how do I go back? Yeah, home. We'll preview that again, but see, it generated a website for us in a very, very short time. Um, Again, not perfect, but workable. All right, so now you see that you can create a very quick website using a Wix AI website builder. It's gonna literally take you 10 minutes to do that, if no less. The more detailed your prompt is, the easier it's gonna be to create a website. But in any case, hope it was helpful. If you liked it, or if you liked some aspects of it, or hated it, just leave me a comment below. I'd love to hear your opinion, to know your opinion about this Wix AI website builder.